Another video, another method to earn money with AI, this time in the online gaming industry. Imagine waking up to find that while you slept, you made money, all because artificial intelligence did the heavy lifting for you. The gaming industry has quietly become one of the most lucrative markets for AI-generated assets. And if you're interested in game development, 3D modeling, or digital art, there are several opportunities waiting for you. So, watch this entire video if you are interested in making money with AI in the gaming world, to see which method suits you well or is compatible with your skills. Before we start diving in, I would like to mention that in the next video, we will develop a simple web game using AI. Therefore, please write down in the comments section which type and genre of game tutorial you would like to see, for example, casual, board game, shooting game, etc., so I can check the comments and create a video of a game type that is mostly demanded by the majority of the viewers. Now let's dive in our today's topic. One of the easiest ways to start making money with AI-generated gaming assets is by selling them on marketplaces. Platforms like Unity Asset Store, Unreal Engine Marketplace, TurboSquid, Sketchfab, and even itch.io allow creators to upload and sell everything from character models to textures, animations, and environment props. Game developers are always on the lookout for high-quality assets that can save them time, and AI tools can help you generate these assets in minutes rather than hours. Of course, AI isn't perfect, and that's where you come in. By refining and enhancing AI-generated assets using Blender, Photoshop, or Substance Painter, you can significantly increase their value and make them stand out in crowded marketplaces. Some assets sell for just a few dollars, while more complex or unique items can go for hundreds. While selling individual assets is a great starting point, bundling them into themed asset packs can be even more profitable. Instead of offering a single 3D model, why not create an entire collection? A sci-fi asset pack could include spaceships, futuristic weapons, and cyberpunk-style buildings. A medieval pack might feature castles, knights, and battle-ready catapults. Game developers prefer asset packs because they ensure a consistent style and save time searching for individual pieces. The best part? Asset packs can be sold at much higher prices, sometimes ranging from $50 to $200, depending on the quality and quantity of the content. If you're someone who enjoys working directly with clients, offering AI-assisted game asset design services can be a lucrative path. Freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of game developers looking for custom assets. With AI tools, you can speed up your workflow while still delivering high-quality, unique designs. Whether it's generating concept art with Midjourney, creating 3D models using Kadem, or designing UI elements with AI-assisted tools, the opportunities are endless. Many developers don't mind if AI was part of the process, as long as the final product meets their needs. This approach allows you to charge premium rates while reducing the actual time spent creating assets. The rise of blockchain gaming has also opened a new frontier for AI-generated gaming assets, NFTs. While the NFT market is unpredictable, digital collectibles are still in demand, especially in Web3 gaming. AI can generate thousands of unique character skins, weapons, or rare in-game items that can be tokenized and sold as NFTs on platforms like OpenSea and Rarible. The value of NFT assets often depends on rarity and uniqueness, and AI can help you create massive collections in no time. However, blockchain gaming is a space that requires research to navigate properly, and there are risks involved. But for those willing to experiment, it could be a goldmine. If you have coding skills, developing AI-powered tools for game asset creation is another highly profitable venture. Instead of selling assets, you can create software that helps game developers generate them on their own. AI-driven texture generators, 3D model auto-creators, and animation tools are all in high demand. Developers are constantly searching for ways to automate and streamline asset creation, and if you can build a tool that makes their workflow easier, they will gladly pay for it. These tools can be sold as standalone software, plugins for game engines like Unity or Unreal, or even as subscription-based services. For those who prefer teaching over creating, sharing your knowledge about AI-generated game assets can be just as profitable. Online learning platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses teaching people how to use AI tools for asset creation. From concept art to 3D modeling to texture generation, there's a growing demand for tutorials that guide aspiring developers through the process. If you don't want to sell courses, YouTube is another powerful platform where you can make money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and memberships. By consistently producing high-quality tutorials, you can build a following and turn your expertise into a sustainable income stream. Another advanced strategy for making money in this space is developing AI-generated asset plugins for Unity and Unreal Engine. Instead of just selling assets, imagine creating a tool that allows developers to generate procedural landscapes, characters, or animations directly inside their game engines. These plugins save developers time and provide an endless source of new content. Game developers are always looking for automation tools, and a well-designed plugin could generate thousands of dollars in sales. While this requires programming skills, the long-term financial benefits can be huge. For those who prefer to be independent, launching your own asset store is a viable alternative to selling on third-party marketplaces. Instead of giving a cut of your earnings to platforms like Unity Asset Store or TurboSquid, you can sell directly through your own website. This gives you full control over pricing, branding, and customer interactions. The key to success here is choosing a specific niche, whether it's stylized low-poly assets, hyper-realistic textures, or pixel art. By focusing on a particular style, you can build a loyal customer base and establish yourself as a go-to source for unique game assets. Marketing your store through social media, game development forums, and SEO strategies can help attract buyers and grow your business. In addition to the traditional marketplaces, there's an emerging trend in AI-generated gaming assets for virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. Developers working on VR and AR games require a massive number of assets, including interactive environments, realistic characters, and immersive textures. AI can speed up asset creation for these high-demand sectors. By positioning yourself as a supplier of high-quality AI-generated VR and AR assets, you can tap into a growing industry that is expected to expand significantly in the coming years. Another approach to maximizing profits with AI-generated assets is through licensing models. Instead of selling your assets outright, you can license them for specific uses. For example, a developer may need exclusive rights to a character model for a particular project, and you can charge a premium fee for that exclusivity. Alternatively, offering subscription-based access to a growing library of AI-generated assets ensures recurring income rather than one-time sales. Many game development studios prefer subscriptions because they offer ongoing access to fresh content without needing to make individual purchases. Creating and selling AI-powered game mods or skins is another exciting way to generate income. Many popular games, such as Minecraft, Roblox, and CSGO, allow users to customize their experiences with skins, textures, and mods. With AI tools, you can create unique and highly detailed skins for weapons, characters, or vehicles without needing extensive design skills. Platforms like CurseForge, Nexus Mods, and Steam Workshop allow you to upload and sell these custom modifications, often for a fee or as part of a premium membership. The advantage of this method is that gaming communities are always on the lookout for fresh and exciting content, and AI enables you to produce these assets much faster than traditional methods. However, to stand out, you should refine the AI-generated skins using tools like Photoshop or Blender to ensure they meet the artistic standards of the gaming community. Promoting your creations through social media, YouTube showcases, or partnerships with gaming influencers can also boost visibility and sales. Another innovative way to leverage AI in the gaming industry is by developing a complete game using AI. Instead of just creating and selling individual assets, you can use AI to generate entire game environments, characters, and even scripts. AI tools like Scenario, Runway ML, or Promethean AI can help create stunning game assets, while ChatGPT or AI-driven narrative generators can craft engaging storylines and dialogues. By automating significant portions of game development, you can reduce costs and time, making it feasible to produce high-quality games with minimal effort. Once your game is complete, you can sell it on platforms like the Unity Asset Store, Google Play Store, or Steam. Another approach is to offer a free-to-play model on your website and monetize through in-game purchases, ads, or affiliate marketing. This strategy allows you to generate recurring revenue while also expanding your player base. While AI can streamline the game development process, it's crucial to test and refine your game manually to ensure smooth gameplay and a compelling user experience. Combining AI-generated elements with human creativity and polish will result in a more immersive and successful game. With all these opportunities, there's no doubt that AI has revolutionized the way game assets are created and sold. The key is to not rely solely on AI, but to use it as a tool to enhance your creativity and efficiency. By adding a human touch to AI-generated content, you can create assets that truly stand out and command higher prices. As mentioned in the beginning of this video, don't forget to leave your comments on what simple game type you wish to see created by AI on this channel. Like and subscribe. If that video is already published, it will appear in front of you. Otherwise, another video on how to make money with AI will appear in front of you. See you there.